Hi friends, good morning. Today I have selected again film song, and for a change I have selected new song. It is from movie Milana, and the song is Kivi Matondu. This is starred by Dr. Puneet Rajkumar, and music composed by Manamurthy sir, and written by lyrics by Jayant Kaikini sir. So the reason I selected this song is in this song heroine will be under depression, and hero wants to get her out of depression. So in this song it is written it is written how to face life after depression in a simple way. So yesterday I was talking about depression, and today I thought I can select this song as a continuation after the depression. How to face the world, how beautiful the world will be after depression. And this is essential for this song. Hero is trying to inspire heroine to come out of depression, which is essential for all of us also. So we can think of this song when we are in depression. So coming to the song, this is a difficult song for me to sing. This is sung by Kunal Ganjawala sir. But as I told, just to make the lyrics are good, I have selected this song. I'll try my best to sing properly. Forgive me if there are any if it is not reaching that level. ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತೊಂದು ಹೇಳಲೆ ನಾನಿಂದು ದಾರಿ ನಿಂತಾಗ ಸಾಗಲೇಬೇಕೆಂದು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಈಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆಯೂ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ನೀನಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಲೇಬೇಕೆಂದು ಹಸಿರಾಗಿದೆ ದೀಪವು ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ನಸು ನಗುತ್ತಲೆ ಸಾಗು ನೀ ಗೆಲುವಾಗಿ ಹೊಸ ತಂಗಾಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಮೆಲುವಾಗಿ ಈ ಬಾಳುಂಟು ಬಾಳುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತೊಂದು ಹೇಳಲೆ ನಾನಿಂದು ದಾರಿ ನಿಂತಾಗ ಸಾಗಲೇಬೇಕೆಂದು ಬಾಗಿಲನಾಚೆಗೆ ತಾ ಬಂದು ಕುಗಿದೆ ಬಾಳು ಬಾ ಎಂದು ಸಂತಸದಿಂದ ಹೋ ಎಂದು ಓಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀನಿಂದು ಸಾವಿರ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ನವಿಲಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಸಮಯ ನಿನಗೆಂದು ಕಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತೆರೆದು ಹಗುರಾಗಿ ನೋಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀ ಬಂದು ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತೊಂದು ಹೇಳಲೆ ನಾನಿಂದು ದಾರಿ ನಿಂತಾಗ ಸಾಗಲೇಬೇಕೆಂದು ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಅಂಚಿನ ಈ ಮೋಡ ನಗುವ ಬೀರಿದೆ ಬಾನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಬಾಳಿನ ಸಂಗೀತ ಹಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಂಚುವ ಅಲೆಗಳ ನದಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಲಿಸು ನೀ ಬೇಗ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಪಾಲಿನ ಈ ಆಟ ಆಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀನೀಗ ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತೊಂದು ಹೇಳಲೆ ನಾನಿಂದು ದಾರಿ ನಿಂತಾಗ ಸಾಗಲೇಬೇಕೆಂದು ನಿನ್ನೀಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆಯೂ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ನೀನಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಲೇಬೇಕೆಂದು ಹಸಿರಾಗಿದೆ ದೀಪವು ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ನಸು ನಗುತ್ತಲೆ ಸಾಗು ನೀ ಗೆಲುವಾಗಿ ಹೊಸ ತಂಗಾಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಮೆಲುವಾಗಿ ಈ ಬಾಳುಂಟು ಬಾಳುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತೊಂದು ಹೇಳಲೆ ನಾನಿಂದು ದಾರಿ ನಿಂತಾಗ ಸಾಗಲೇಬೇಕೆಂದು. So this is a song. Please do watch the song in YouTube. This song is picturized also very well. and by the end of the song, Hiran will come out of the depression. It is not so easy for us to do so, but we should make slowly, gradually, we should make up our mind to come out of the difficulties or bad times we had. All that we should slowly think of coming out of it, forgetting all, thinking of coming out of it and achieving something. Uh, so uh, so now I'll go to the translation of the song. Shall I tell you, the translation is like this: ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತೊಂದು ಹೇಳಲೆ ನಾನೆಂದು ದಾರಿ ನಿಂತಾಗ ಸಾಗಲೇಬೇಕೆಂದು. Shall I tell you one word? Shall I tell you one word? When there is no, when the way stops, you should move ahead. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಈಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆಯೂ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ನೀನಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಲೇಬೇಕೆಂದು. That means yesterday is not there now, and tomorrow we don't know what it is. Only thing is, only it is present. So you should live as you live according to your original character. You should live according to your original character. And ಹಸಿರಾಗಿದೆ ದೀಪವು ನಿನಗಾಗಿ, ನಸು ನಗುತ್ತಲೆ ಸಾಗು ನೀ ಗೆಲುವಾಗಿ. That means the light is green now for you, and you should smile. You should smile, and you should move ahead and reach victory. ಸೊ ಹೊಸ ತಂಗಾಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಮೆಲುವಾಗಿ, ಈ ಬಾಳುಂಟು ಬಾಳುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ. ಹೊಸ ತಂಗಾಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಮೆಲುವಾಗಿ, ಈ ಬಾಳುಂಟು ಬಾಳುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ. So the wind is saying slowly that this life is to live. So life is so beautiful. There are many things. Life is not limited to one thing which we bother about. Life is so big. We should think always about the broad picture, and we should start knowing things, what is happening around the world, how it is. We should do all that. So we should not think only about ourselves. We should think in a broader manner. ಬಾಗಿಲಿನಾಚೆಗೆ ತಾ ಬಂದು ಕೂಗಿದೆ ಬಾಳು ಬಾ ಎಂದು. The life is waiting for you. The life is waiting for you. It is calling you that come, be happy, be happy. It is calling you. Life is calling you, and you should feel happy. ಸಂತಸದಿಂದ ಹೋ ಎಂದು ಓಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀನಿಂದು. You should feel happy. You should feel so happy that you should scream, and you should run, and you should enjoy life. So ಸಾವಿರ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ನವಿಲಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಸಮಯ ನಿನಗೆಂದು. That means the time is waiting for you, like thousand the peacock having 1,000 eyes. It will be so beautiful, no? Peacock when it opens its feathers. So the time is waiting for you. Waiting for you to come ahead. The only thing, you should open your eyes and see the opportunities and move ahead. We should open your eyes and feel light. ಕಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತೆರೆದು ಹಗುರಾಗಿ ನೋಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀನಿಂದು ನೀ ಬಂದು. So open your eyes and feel light. And come and see the life, enjoy the life. So ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಅಂಚಿನ ಈ ಮೋಡ ನಗುವ ಬೀರಿದೆ ಬಾನಲ್ಲಿ. That means the clouds are also smiling. The clouds are also smiling in the sky for you. ನಿನ್ನಯ ಬಾಳಿನ ಸಂಗೀತ ಹಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀನಿಲ್ಲಿ. What you are about to do, what you want to do, you should do in your life. The music in your life, you should only start playing music in your life. ಮಿಂಚುವ ಅಲೆಗಳ ನದಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಲಿಸು ನೀ ಬೇಗ. You should be like a river like a river which is shining, and you should move ahead fast. You should move ahead fast. ನಿನ್ನಯ ಪಾಲಿನ ಈ ಆಟ ಆಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀನೀಗ. Whatever it is your role is good. Whatever is your role, instead of sitting in depression and crying, you come out and um, you play your role properly. For all, it is for all. We should let us play our roles properly in the family or in the society. So this is what the song says. Okay, I hope this gives some sort of hope to you. And Jayant Kakani sir has written so nicely, and as I told, picturization is very nice, and Dr. Puneet Rajkumar sir has acted very well. Nice movie, Milana. It is from movie Milana. Do watch.